I faced endless frustrations with my device's software, spending countless hours testing solutions until I found reliable ways to solve these exact problems. Now, I am sharing the proven techniques that truly work. This video will show you how to fix system update failed and auto-installing apps bug. Our first approach tackles corrupted temporary files. Your device stores lots of temporary data, and sometimes this data gets damaged. Clearing it out is like giving your system a fresh start, allowing updates to proceed smoothly without old, broken bits getting in the way. Next, we address unauthorized app installations. Many apps try to sneak onto your device from unknown places. By shutting down these hidden doorways and checking app permissions, we stop unwanted software from ever appearing. This gives you back control over what runs on your phone. Then we look at network connections. A shaky or incorrectly configured internet connection can prevent updates from downloading or apps from installing correctly. Resetting these settings ensures your device has a clean and strong link to the internet, making sure data flows without interruption. Finally, for tough problems, we consider reinstalling the core system software. This is a deeper cleaning that wipes away any hidden errors or deep-seated issues. It's like getting a brand new brain for your device, ensuring everything starts fresh and works exactly as it should.